Hi guys, today I'll be sharing how to make super easy chocolate fudge, and this is the end product that you will have once you follow the recipe. For this, we only need 3 basic ingredients. So we need 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate and half a cup of milk chocolate. If you want, you can just use just semi-sweet chocolate or just milk chocolate. It's up to you. We need 1 can of condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Into a heat-proof bowl, we're going to combine the condensed milk and the chocolate. For the chocolate, again, you can mix this as long as you have 2 cups of chocolate. So we're going to melt this in the microwave for about a minute. If you don't have a microwave, you can use the double boiler to melt the chocolate. This is optional. This is pistachios. If you don't have pistachios, you can use peanuts, cashew nuts, or if you don't have any or you don't want to add, that's fine. So just crush the pistachios, but not too much. So after a minute, the chocolate is melted. If it doesn't melt fully, you can put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds. My chocolate is fully melted. Now I can add the vanilla. You need about a teaspoon. And then gradually add the pistachios. Again, if you don't want to add nuts, that's fine. You can use any nuts that you like. So the pistachios is about 90 grams or about 3/4 of a cup. And this is now ready to be transferred into a prepared pan lined with parchment paper that is overhanging. I will put the dimension of this cake pan in the description box, or you could use 9x9 or 8x8. So spread the fudge evenly, and the hardest part for this recipe is just to wait for this to set. We're going to let this set in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. So after 2 to 3 hours, the fudge is set. Now we're going to cut this evenly. So I'm just cutting the edges of the fudge. Then cut this to whatever size that you like. So I'm just eyeballing this. Now I cut the edge of the fudge as well. So you can see. My hands are clean. I wash it. So now just transfer the fudge into your platter. So as you can see, it's super easy to make. All you need is 2 cups of chocolate, 1 can of condensed milk, and vanilla. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. This is really good. I can guarantee that you're going to love this. And just to show you what it looks like inside when you bite into the fudge. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. See you again next week. Bye!